I was pretty excited when this pen arrived. Let's unbox it. This is an Opus 88, but it's an Opus 88 that's different than any I've seen before. It's the Opus 88 Buffalo Horn fountain pen. Let's take a look. The packaging is pretty standard. I like the Opus 88 packaging. It keeps the pen safe and secure, and it clearly shows their branding. But let's dive into this pen. I like that this pen uses neutral colors to create a standout, unique look. The cap and majority of the barrel are such a dark brown that it's almost black. It's paired with silver trim and a stainless steel nib. And then you have that lighter center featuring the buffalo horn. The nib is a stainless steel number 6 size. And here's a good look at that material for you. And I do like how it has that little darker ring. Another difference in this Opus 88 release is that it's a cartridge converter fountain pen. And it comes with the Schmidt converter already included in there. It's a standard international size compatible system. I was excited to see this arrive, and when I got a good look at it, I think this is a fun addition. I hope you enjoyed getting a good look at this exciting new arrival from Opus 88. If you want more information, jump on over to our website, penschle.com, and make sure to subscribe here on our channel.